Gone through your day and just felt scattered or felt like you're split into five different pieces? You know, every time you have an interaction with people throughout the day, it's like you're giving them a little piece of you. It's like a little piece of your energy is going to them. And if you are working in an office space or in close quarters, your energy can sync up with the energy of everyone that's close to you if you're in close proximity. So, how you can take back your energy and not feel scattered is to take two quick inhales and then exhale through the mouth. You can also take an inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 6. That resets the nervous system and helps you feel grounded. Or another great thing to do is get outside on your lunch, walk on a piece of grass, take off your shoes, and go barefoot on the earth. All of those things will help you to center yourself. And also, by taking a moment and quietly, sitting and calling back your energy to you from all the people that have either taken it or all the people that you've given it to throughout the day. Have a great Friday, everyone.